The aluminum combo sets come in a compact nylon case with a belt loop on the back side. This 2-knife set includes the Big Game Skinner and Mako knives. Made from high-grade aluminum, they are guaranteed not to break. Each knife comes with additional replacement blades, 3 Big Game Skinner, 3 Mako, and 1 marine blade, designed for the conventional hunter. The neon orange finish makes it highly visible in the field, so you're sure not to leave it behind. Both knives come with protective guards that snap on and off. The Big Game Skinner's dual blade is designed to cut from the inside out, cutting up to 3 inches of hide. It spins 360 degrees around the leg to open the hide, as well as popping the joint for leg removal. The backside, or bottom of the blade, is designed for skinning. Simply put the housing on the flesh, and the blade is naturally raised above, making it a guided skinner. The Mako becomes an extension of your finger for precision cutting, and the T-handle design eliminates hand fatigue. It's also designed to house numerous accessory blades, including our saw blades. Both knives disassemble in seconds. With the built-in Phillips bit, it's just 2 screws to safely switch out the 420 stainless steel blades. The bit holder located in the survival compartment comes with 4 additional bits, making it a great multi-tool. Pick and choose what bits you may need for your bow sight or rifle scope and pack them in a fraction of the weight. There are also 2 additional 1024 stainless steel screws located in the survival compartment of each handle. The compass is located on the end cap. The handles are both left and right-handed. Simply switch them from left to right. The T-handle design gives you superior control and leverage to get through the toughest of hides. Raptorazor makes field dressing easy.